Suppose T is a linear transformation from R4 to Rx over R satisfying these condition, then the coefficient of x raised to the power 4 in the image of minus 3566 under T. If anyhow we can find the image of this element minus 3566, then we can easily tell about coefficient of x raised to the power 4, because these polynomials coefficients are real coefficient. Whenever this type of problem asked about in your exam, then this is not a prove that type problem. It is a numerical based answer type or MCQ in MCQ based question may be asked. So there is no need to check elements or domain elements or input minus 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 3 4 2 minus 1 minus 1 0 and minus 3 5 6 6. These four vectors are forming bases. How? Any one of these vectors is not multiple of each other. Also, so they are linearly independent, and number of linearly independent vectors is equal to dimension of domain or domain subspace vector space. R4 means equal to R, number of linearly independent vectors is equal to dimension of domain vector space. So this is a basis, and if this is a basis, so you can write every element of domain is a linear combination of domain basis, and image also can be written as image basis. So proceed in a systematic manner. This question maybe take more time. So technique is write all given vectors or input column wise, and at which point is asked about image or coefficient, right left left rightmost as a augmented matrix. It is a augmented matrix and reduced in row reduced form. So this matrix equivalent to minus 1 1 2 minus 3 0 3 1 2 0 4 1 3, and last one will be 0 5 2 3. This is the equivalent matrix of this one. What did I do? Add R2 with R1, R3 with R1, and R4 with R1, and we got this matrix, and apply E arrows R2 divided by 3 to make here 1 in place of 3. So minus 1 1 2 minus 3, first row same as 0 1 1 by 3 and 2 by 3, 0 4 1 3 0 5 2 3. Other entries or row remain same, and apply E arrows elementary row operation on last equivalent matrix. Minus 1 1 2 minus 3 0 1 1 by 3 2 by 3, and here 0 0. Multiply second row by 4 and subtract from R3. It will be minus 1 upon 3 and 1 by 3, and last row multiply R2 by 5 and subtract from R4. 0 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 3. So this is last equivalent matrix, and these are scalar multiple. So it will cancel out, multiply with 1 and subtract, or add these two rows, last two rows. So you will got 0, 0, 0, 0. So by from R3 minus, if you are writing is a linear combination, you can take ABCR scalars. So C or minus C is equal to 1. So C equal to 1, because minus 1 upon 3, C equal to 1 upon 3 divided by minus 1 upon 3. So you will got C equal to minus 1. C equal to minus 1. Now put in R2, it will be B plus 1 upon 3 times C equal to 2 by 3. Put C equal to minus 1, it will be minus 1 upon 3. So B equal to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 1. And minus A plus B plus 2 times B is equal to minus 3. We have the value of A, B, C. So put these minus A, B equal to 1 and C equal to minus 1. So it will be 2 is equal to minus 3. So A equal to 2. A equal to 2 here. We got the values of A, B, C. Now what we will do? Multiply this by image. Multiply this by image. ABC are A equal to 2, B equal to 1 and C equal to minus 1. And images was x square plus 2x raised to the power 4. So multiply this by 2 plus b is 1 and it will be 1 minus x square and minus of x cube minus x raised to the power 4. So we need only the coefficient of x raised to the power 4. So this will be 4x raised to the power 4 and we got x raised to the power 4. It means 5x raised to the power 4. Coefficient of x raised to the power 4 is 5. So whenever you got value of ABC, then normally multiply in these images respectively, then you will get the image of asked element. And in asked element, how examiner can ask a question, either coefficient of x raised to the power 4 or image of that element. So answer of this problem is 5.